Ah, nakita ko po itong inyong product, Labs White Ultima Glutathione plus Collagen 1,400 milligrams. Kasi po, as an alternative practitioner, we are familiar with some of the components of this product. Nagulat ako kasi recently, we were looking at yung mga intravenous or back to inject na mga anti-cancer. And these are not normal things po na alam sa medical. No? In fact, for example, glutathione, hindi naman lagi advice yung glutathione normally sa kanilang practice. In fact, they discourage yung glutathione injection kasi sabi na maraming mga reaction. Sa amin, we don't see any problems with it as long as or okay naman yung liver mo at legit naman yung glutathione infusion na ginagawa mo or capsule tablet. Wala kaming problema doon kasi sa amin po ay we're more into building up the immune system at yung katawan natin. So, but one of the things that we use, which we infuse, nung araw po before na nauso yung glutathione for lightening skin, ginagamit po namin siya sa antioxidant para matulungan ng liver to fight or to detoxify at makalaban sa cancer patient. Tagal na po yun, 1998, 2000. Di ba kung gusto na papaputi ang glutathione. So, we were injecting it even twice a day. Kasi dun sa training namin po sa US, that's one of their weapon of choice. Supportive po ng management pag nagbigay ng glutathione. Bakit? Kasi the liver is one of the main organ of cleansing and detox. And sa amin sa alternative medicine, cancer caused by toxic overload. Kung malinis yung system mo, hindi ka magka-cancer. So one of the things that we do is detoxification. And one of the organs in detoxification is the liver. Kailangan ng kidney, lymphatics, skin, lungs, etc. So if you can make your liver be in the best health, pag-detoxify with the glutathione, which is powerful antioxidant, maganda po ang kalalabasan. Kasi sa alternative medicine, we don't treat patients per organ. We treat them holistically. So, kaya ang pasyente namin mukhang iba, mukhang blooming. Whereas sa normal na medical treatment, after chemotherapy, after radiation, medyo itsura po yung pasyente, medyo hindi maganda. Now, what we use is glutathione, we use alpha-lipoic acid, ini-inject yan, or oral. Another one is collagen, which is also, ang collagen po ang nagpapatibay ng cells para hindi kumalat masyado yung cancer. Kasi ang cancer produces chemicals that slowly erodes sa paligid para siya ng karma na kumakain sa paligid. Kung matibay yung collagen mo at saka yung sistema ng mga cells, hindi siya makakapag-exercise o basta-basta kakalat. Kasi pag lumalaban ng katawan mo, usually yung cancer, i-wall off niya ng katawan natin. Kung malakas ang research. Kung hindi, sila kakalat. Kaya giving something with collagen, something with glutathione, something with alpha-lipoic acid, na titigilan mo yung pag-progress ng tumor ng cancer. It will not kill the cancer, but it can help limit yung action po ng cancer. Of course, vitamin C. Sa research po ng maraming sciences, and especially si Dr. Linus Pauling na nanalo ng Nobel Prize in the study of research on vitamin C. The higher the vitamin C level, the better. So, if I were to use this for cancer, I'd probably give it at high dose as a supportive. Pwede pa yung ibang mga ginagamit namin. Kasi we believe in the nutritional part as a very important way to fight and prevent cancer. Yun pong sa medical, before, we believe, bigyan mo ng lason yung pasyente, nalalasunin yung cancer, ay nakakaba ang buhay ng pasyente. But common sense dictates na hindi ganun. So sa amin po, we give nutrition para palakasin po yung pasyente para may laban po siya kahit paano. Cancer is very aggressive. Mag-inom na isa dalawang capsule ng vitamin C, that doesn't work. But if you do high doses, according to study, being done and practice being done in Europe and South America, where they give as high as 50,000 to 100,000 milligrams by dextrose per day. Eh, ang ganda po ang success story. One center in Mexico, Tijuana, ang success rate nila sa cancer, yung deadliest cancer, melanoma, no? Na in 3 to 6 months, you're dead, is actually 80%. It's a hospital there in Mexico. And one of the things they're using is high doses of vitamin C, glutathione, alpha-lipoic acid, collagen, you name it, no? But conventional medicine says, no, it doesn't work. We disagree. Kasi in our more than 20 plus years of experience, we have seen them work. Maybe, just maybe, pag binigyan mo ng sustansya yung pasyente, lalakas siya para makalaban siya sa cancer instead of giving poison and expect them to live longer. Just maybe. No? We have seen that happen. So, it's fascinating po when you see things like this. No? Ang target mo, kumati ka, kuminis ang fat mo, maging vibrant yung skin mo, pero incidentally, pwede ka na siyang gamitin as a protection or as a support for more serious problems, like heart disease, like diabetes, like, I'm not allowed to say clean, no? But if you give certain nutrients that have a protective effect, they can help against complications ng mga sakit. Of course, you have to control the sugar from diabetics, you have to control the pagandahin ng tarin ng dugo for those with heart problem, for the cancer, you have to boost the immune system. I'm not saying this is the cure-all, I'm just saying this can be of help. Kasi ganun po yun eh. Every little thing, ang purpose niyan, to rebuild a system that took years for them to have this illness. Giving them drugs doesn't help the system. It actually makes harder for the system to work. So, yun po yung aming approach as a member of the Philippine Institute for Traditional Physical Care. Ito po yung reason bakit dinevelop ang TradMed o alternative medicine. Kasi sometimes, when conventional medicine has been done, tapos wala nang makita, sabi wala na kayo mag-uwi ka na. Kaya meron po ang alternative. Emergency, we do need a medical treatment. Laboratory-wise, we do need a medical treatment. But if you have to take a medicine that damage your kidney and liver, I think I would rather look for other things. That reveals and repairs or boosts your body's ability to give. And collagen, vitamin C, all these things, they do help. Not a cure-all, but they do help para makalala ko ito. So, I'm just sharing that with you. Wala pong bayan dito. Hindi po ko binayaran dito. May God bless.
Thank you.